So let me talk to you before bedtime. Yeah, let me whisper something sweet, sweet, babe.
Good people, it's your girl Margarita Yaro here, and guys, I know it's been a while, but today I'm here with another video. If you're new to this family, welcome, and do not forget to hit the red button right below. But if you're coming back again, welcome again, and I love you guys. So today I have something that I wanted us to unbox together because it's something that involves all of us, you guys and me, and I thought I should take you through. So guys, I finally got a mini sewing machine. Most of you know that I've been doing DIYs, but I've been doing the sewing with my hand. And as you know, it is a hectic thing to do, so I decided let us take our DIY to the next level, and I got this mini sewing machine. Yeah, it's with double threads and 2-speed controls, and the first speed control, you can control it with your foot, and I'll show you guys the thing, how it is fixed and everything. And another way you can control it is by use of your hands. So guys, let us unbox this together and get to try it out together. It is really mini. I did not, like, honestly, I did not expect it to be this mini. When I saw it on the internet, it was not looking this mini. But you know, these things, what you order versus what you get, sometimes, you know. But this is it, and it has these things that helps it not to get damaged. They like protect it. Yes. So this is how mini will look like. But sometimes many things can surprise us. It can be this mini, but can do a lot of magic. So we will try it together and see what it does. It came with like 5 bobbins. This is what I mean when I say bobbins. 5 bobbins. One of them is here, and the rest of the 4 are here. There's something here for helping in putting the thread over here. Some of us have small eyes, and it is really difficult to put that thread through the needle. Some of you know the struggle that I'm talking about. Even me, it takes me time to like do it, but this will help us pass the thread through the needle. And there's another backup needle here, so if this one gets destroyed, we'll be able to replace it with this. Another thing that it came with is the foot pedal, the plug that plug it here, and you're ready to use it. This is where you'll step on when you don't want to use your hands. If you don't want to use the foot pedal, you can also just press here, but I think this one just needs those people who have been used to it so many times, as in mapro. To those of us who are beginning, wale tunaanza, I'll really prefer using the foot pedal, because with this you control the speed of the machine. But with the hand, and when it's connected with the power, it just goes. And when you're learning just like me, you don't want to do that. You will really want to go slow on it, and the foot pedal is the right one to use. And there's this plug in. This is the one that you plug in a source of power, and you fix it here, and your mini sewing machine starts to work. So guys, I'm going, as you know, before we get into our main video of today, I have done DIYs before, and I've been sewing them using my hand. If you have not checked them out, I'm going to drop their links. I did a DIY of shoulder top from a man's shirt. I'll put the link down below, and you can also check this thing up here that shows men's refashion shirt. And I also did a DIY detachable dungaree short. Also, if you've not checked that out, angalia hapo juu, you'll definitely click on that link and you'll go and check. You'll definitely go and get it, get to watch it like. And if you love it, always share and drop a comment down below on what you think. So today we are going, because it is our first time using this mini machine, we are going to do something easy, and I'm going to change a dera. I don't know if it is dera or dera, however you would like to call it, but about to a cover up. So stay with me. Let's see how it goes. So guys, let us fix the front part. The here it doesn't look good like this, as you can see. So what I'll do, I will fold this side here like this, and this side here like this, so that it can be this way. And I'll put little puffs here so that it can help with the shoulder design, so that it is not like this imeanguka tu, so that these shoulder whatever here can show up. So